like with Bae, having lunch outside somewhere hot, and Bae's like feeding me spaghetti. Oh my goodness. Hello there my darlings, welcome to Edwigealamode, where I share all things fabulous. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Edwige and I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I'm from Congo and I live in London. If you love fashion, beauty, lifestyle and all things fabulous, this is definitely the channel for you, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you are already subscribed and returning back, thank you so much for clicking on my face. I'm so happy to see you guys. Today's video is luxury unboxing. These are presents that I got for myself for my birthday. If you don't know, I'm a Leo, okay? I was born in August. My birthday is on August the 6th, but I will be traveling for my birthday, so I practically won't really be here. So I decided to buy myself early birthday gifts just to allow me to focus on everything else. So I purchased myself two lovely gifts from Hermes and from Dior. You guys know how much I love birthdays. I'm such a huge birthday celebrator. Like, I celebrate everybody's birthday. I love birthdays, and yeah, this year is gonna be quite special. Like I said, I'll be abroad, and I wanted to buy myself a handbag initially, but I think I'm gonna wait to get the handbag after. But anyway, without no further ado, let's get into it. Let me show you what I purchased. So first up, it's from Hermes. Something special from Hermes. Hermes. You guys know how much I love the Hermes sandals. So I wanted to get another color. I already have the brown. I wanted something like orange, yellow, blue, purple, but pink. It was all out of stock, and they said the best time to buy color is like just before May, is what they said. Before May is the best time to get color, and I think I went to buy mine like towards the end of May. So, and they literally had nothing. I went to Harrods to get this one, and it was literally the last one. So to unbox, I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is what the Hermes items come in. Comes in a little orange box like so. So I went for the white Oran sandals. If you've watched my luxury wish list, you will know that I have been mentioning that I want to get the white one for so long, but I never actually get it because I just feel like there are so many fakes, and obviously people have said that to me as well. But there's just something about the white Orans that just looks mwah, chef's kiss. Like, imagine this in the summer. Babe, I'm not being funny, but like, how gorgeous is this? So I went for the whites. I think next I want to get color. I want one more, that's it. Maybe I would get like the pink, the orange. My sister bought the orange one, and it's mwah, chef's kiss. I think I want the orange or the pink or yellow. These are really classy. I think they look really chic. They really just do elevate summer outfits. And the thing is, this time I actually went for half a size up. So this one is in a 39.5. The one I got previously was 39, and to be honest with you, I think this fits so much better. So this is the right foot. Wait, why does the right foot look a bit... Wait, let me show you like this. So this is the sandals that I purchased. These are the Oran sandals in a 39.5, in the color white with the brown sole. Like that. I really cannot wait to wear these. These were my birthday gifts for myself. I feel like this is the ultimate top girl sandals for the summer. White is a really nice color. I think it's really beautiful and really stands out compared to the brown. Although I love the brown, I feel like every brown girl needs to have the brown Oran sandals. It just really looks beautiful on. They're really sophisticated, you know. Something about these sandals just are, they're very distinctive, not complex, very simple, but they just add that oomph to your outfit. And yeah, white is such a beautiful pure color. I just cannot wait to wear these. I'm gonna try them on in a different clip so that you can see what they look like, but this was my birthday gift, the Oran sandals in a white, and I recommend going half a size up because it fits so much better. You will see. Okay, lastly, I also got something from Dior, and you saw this anyway. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a total age defining cream. So something from Dior. You guys, I'm sure you saw this already on my vlog, but I want to unbox for you and show you. So something special from Dior, and I'm just hoping that, wait, because I want to be able to what do you call it? Wait, babes, because if I open this, if I unbox this fully, I won't be able to box it back how it was, and I want to do an unboxing. So let me bring this out, oops, like that, so that I can show you. Sorry guys, 1 second. Let me just close this anyhow because I want to be able to unbox it after. So something from Dior. What I got is a scarf. You guys saw this when we did the shopping. So it's a two-toned scarf, comes in two different, it's two-sided, so it has two different colors on each side, which I thought was really clever and will look like a brand new piece every time you wear it. Oh, by the way, this hair is from Menopulence. I've had quite a few questions about my hair. Most of my wigs are usually from Menopulence, unless I do like a dedicated video, then it's obviously not. But if you see me wearing any hair, it's always Menopulence. Her details are always down in the description box down below. If you go into my Instagram and tap on the wigs tab, all the details are there. You can just click on the link and go straight to her page. But anyway, I'll have it down in the description. So I went for this scarf. I'm not sure what they call these. These are from Dior, and the reason why I wanted this scarf was because I can wear it on my head, I can wear it as a scarf, and I could put it on my handbag, and I think it's big enough for me to wear as a top, but with these bad boys, I don't know. But anyway, like I was saying, it comes in two different colors. So this is the inside, and it has the big Dior sign all over, and then the big Dior sign there. I think this is the small. This is the small, I think. And then, oh wait, sorry about that. And then the other side is the grey. This is what I really loved. I love the grey side. I feel like this looks really classy, really elegant, especially if you wear around your shoulders. How I wore it was on my head, but let me just wear it this way so you can see. Oops. So I could wear it this way, like that. So this is the grey, pink, sorry. So I could wear it like this, so you can see the pink right there. Really, really nice. And then I could also wear it on the other side, which is the grey. I feel like the grey is better because you can really see the design of it. Really, really beautiful. It's giving La Dolce Vita. It's giving Italiano vibes. I love this. It's giving Italiano. I love it. It's giving luxury, babe. It's giving soft housewife vibes. Imagine just this on your head and like a really cool, simple dress and your Hermes sandals, shopping basket, and doing your groceries. We love to see it. Like, this is the vibe. Imagine with some sunglasses, like just having lunch with your bae. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is the vibe, babe. This is the vibe. Like, with bae, having lunch outside, somewhere hot, and bae's like feeding me spaghetti. Oh my goodness. We love to see it. So this is the vibe, guys. What do we think? Yay or nay? I love this. This is the vibe, babe. This is the vibe. And like, I don't even think I'd wear this on my neck. Could I wear this as a top? Because, you know, the girls are girling. I think I could. Yeah, I could wear this as a top. Can you see that? Oh, darling, we love to see it. I could wear this as a top, like on holiday. Do you know what I mean? I think for London it'll be a bit too much. But if I was on holiday, why not? I could definitely wear this as a top with like some white trousers, high-waisted trousers, so that half of my back is also covered up. Ooh, baby. And then a nice big hat just to not look naked. Do you know what I mean? Fantastico. We love to see it. Like, this is the vibe, babe. I absolutely love this. You guys let me know what you think, and imagine like wearing a nice white dress or even black, whatever color, and just put this on your shoulders. Really easy. This is a really good way to step into luxury by buying small accessories. This is what I love, buying small accessories in luxuries. So such as these sandals. These are Hermes sandals. I don't have a Birkin, but this is my way of just stepping into that grown woman. Do you know what I mean? Let me know what you think about these pieces, but I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my god, look at the vibe. Do you see the vibe, babe? This is the vibe. I just need to put a pair of sunglasses and I'm ready to go. What do we think? La dolce vita, baby. Yes, honey. Let me practice my talk with Bay. Wait, I don't know which language you'll be speaking, but wait, let me practice. Darling, can I please have a glass of champagne? Yes, my love. Thank you so much. Can you imagine? I really love to see it. So yes, guys, that was everything for this part of the video. I hope you have enjoyed my birthday gifts. It's not my birthday yet. My birthday's in August. And I'll be abroad, so this is why I'm unboxing them early, and because I want to wear my presents already, you know. I don't want to wait until I'm on a holiday. I want to wear them now. My mom used to say this thing in Lingala. I think, what was it? Buka lelo lata lelo. Yes, this is what we are doing. How do I even translate that in English? It basically means you buy today, you wear today. Do you know what I mean? Like, but it makes more sense in Lingala. Yeah, because buka doesn't actually mean buy. Buka means you break today, you buka lelo lata lelo. You break today, you wear today. It doesn't make sense. So you buy today, you wear today. Yeah, do you know what I mean? You can't translating things from translating things into English from French and Lingala is so difficult. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about my presents. Do you like them? Would you buy them? I would love to know. What are you buying yourself for your birthday? And are you a birthday lover? I would love to know as well. Let me know in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.